Hi guys, welcome to The Future Is Now. In today's video, we'll be talking about 14 kitchen items you can consider buying now on Amazon to upgrade your kitchen's look and cooking experience. Before starting the video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Bosch MUM Series 2. The MUM Series by Bosch Home was engineered to be an innovative multi-purpose device that can blend, grind, mix, whisk, or shred your food ingredients at a go. Despite being designed with a modern, eye-catching and compact look, it is integrated with a powerful 700-watt Bosch motor for fast and perfect mixing of all ingredients. Even heavy doughs won't escape getting properly mixed. Its bowl can hold up to 3.8 liters of contents. At the same time, the 3D planetary mixing gear ensures consistent mixing of all ingredients from 3 different directions, and there are 4 speed settings you can adjust to suit your preference at the moment. With the MUM Series 2, making fluffy cakes, burgers, or smoothies just became a lot easier. Bear Toaster. The Bear Slice Toaster is the guy for you to make delicious toasted food in no time. It is housed in colorful stainless steel construction for durability and adds a touch of luxury to your kitchen space. Its 2-slice capacity evenly distributes heat to your food, the wide slot function accommodates baked foods of different sizes or thicknesses, while the defrost function helps to warm or defrost your meals. A shade knob for adjustable browning with LED indicators gives you the chance to choose the exact shade of toast you want. When done preparing your meals, the extra lift lever makes it possible to bring out even the smallest food without burning your hands, and you can discard leftover crumbs from the designated crumb tray. Micom Rice Cooker. The Micom Rice Cooker from Cuckoo is a functional rice cooker full customization option. With claims to have 13 unique menu options, popular menu options for you to prepare meals like white rice, burnt rice, and porridge, there is also the versatile multi-cook option, which allows you to multitask your cooking at once. The engineers ensured they integrated an intelligent cooking algorithm to automatically cook your rice when you can choose your preferred texture, ranging from sticky rice, salty rice, or soft rice. Keeping the cooker clean is also easy as it has an auto-clean feature over water drain, and you can easily remove the non-stick inner pot and the inner lid for proper wash after use. Avantco Cordless Knife Set. With great reviews from previous users, I guess it's safe to say the Avantco Cordless Knife Set has been serving its intended purpose. Thanks to its 2 interchangeable blades, the electric knife set easily cuts through food products from baked ones to poultry or roasted foods, while its battery lasts for about 70 minutes and gets charged within 1.5 hours. Designed with an ergonomic case to ensure firmer grip even with an extended time of use, a carrying case, and a safety lock switch, the manufacturer really wants the users to be comfortable with the device. Cuisipro Collapsible Yogurt Maker. Cuisipro Collapsible Yogurt Maker has a large compartment that houses different container sizes to serve several functions, but it's definitely perfect for all kitchens. Unlike other yogurt makers, it can be folded to fit into the smallest space in your cabinet or any container, not to talk of its packed features. The yogurt maker makes it easy to prepare nutritious and delicious homemade yogurt with total ease with a 1-button operation feature that automatically shuts off when your yogurt is ready. Chefin' VeggiChop Plus. VeggiChop is the perfect kitchen tool that doubles as a condiment maker as well as a chopper. To make your mayo in minutes, put all your ingredients in and pull the handle to get it ready. It is also easier to chop your vegetables. Again, pull the designated handle and it is ready. As a hand-powered food processor made with patented stainless steel blades, it chops evenly and effectively. Even your kids can use the processor. It's safe and requires no stress. Eko Mirage Sensor Bin. The Eko Mirage Sensor Bin by Eko Homes is for those looking for maximum waste storage while maintaining minimal space. Made of high-quality fingerprint-resistant brushed stainless steel, the bin gives your space a refined finish. The sensor bin is highly hygienic, all thanks to its open and close function due to the motion sensor, which automatically opens when it detects movement around it. You can as well use it manually with the dynamic blue light display interface. Having no inner bucket, the bin allows a large waste storage capacity of 45 liters, and a discreet handle at the back allows easy moving of the bin around. Kindly spare a few seconds to like the video. Nostalgia Hot Air Popper. Hot Air Popper is one of the products manufactured by Nostalgia Products as a tabletop popcorn maker. It takes just a few minutes for you to start enjoying freshly made popcorn from the Hot Air Popper. All it takes is the push of a button. Made to be different, the machine's electric popping system utilizes hot air in place of oil to produce 8 cups of healthier snacks for you and your family. The swirling airflow results in a few kernels being left unpopped. The popcorn maker comes with a measuring cap to ensure the proper amount of kernels is used in each batch and to avoid overfilling. Universal Dough Press Handy. Universal Dough Press Handy is the perfect guy for you to prepare passatelli, potato gnocchi, churros, or donuts. The utensil is made of excellent resistant plastic proven to be dishwasher safe. With different shapes of pressing disc, it's straightforward to use. Just fill the reservoir with your kneaded dough and apply pressure using the pressing disc so the food item can come out until it reaches the perfect length, then turn the handle for you to cut it. Double-sided frying pan. The double-sided frying pan by Tescoma is an extraordinary 2-part frying pan for frying and stewing food easily and quickly on both sides. This is perfect for making tortilla and frittata-type omelets, filled pockets, vegetable, and rice meals. The double pan can also be used as 2 separate traditional frying pans. Its high-quality non-stick coating prevents overlooking of food. The pan is dishwasher safe and suitable for electric, gas, or vitroceramic cookers. Airy Fryer Dual. Now frying can be safer and healthier with less oil and odor with the Arieti's Air Fryer Dual. The air fryer uses hot air to cook and form crispy food with less oil inside the cooking chamber and guarantees uniform distribution of the heat inside. With the Airy Fryer Dual Cook function, you can prepare 2 different dishes simultaneously or cook a dish in large quantities by dividing it into 2 baskets measuring up to 4 liters. The Airy Fryer Dual is easy to clean thanks to the removable non-stick baskets. KONSTAR Master Chopper. Just like the name implies, KONSTAR Master Chopper is indeed a master amongst all choppers as it features numerous blades for different sizes of chopped foods you might want. The Master Chopper can take up to 180 milliliters of food, and it features a chopper, beater, spinner, grater set, 4 sets of blades, a shredder, as well as a slicer to match your choice at any point. Being a multifunctional food processor, there is also an egg separator funnel to separate the yolks from the egg whites if you're trying to make mayo. Kenwood Triblade XL. Kenwood is known for bringing creative kitchen tools to the market. Their recently released Triblade XL is also a good hand blender for obtaining the perfect puree you desire. Featuring a longer blending wand, you can blend more in one batch to get 2 times more effective and more accessible mashing or puree making by hand. The 850-watt motor and turbo function promise an extra power boost, while the surge grip handles ensure a more comfortable and safer grip. To remove the blades for cleaning or switching, all it takes is a twist of the attachment fitting. Gzzini Trivet Set. The Gzzini Trivet Set guarantees the protection of your tables and countertops from heat damage. The trivet sets are firmly embedded in each other, but you can open them easily to separate them to combine a series of figures when you use utensils of different sizes. Made of BPA-free food-grade silicone and polyamide, the non-slip base prevents accidental slipping of food, and the food outside the oven can be easily installed.